I'll just tell you guys, I budgeted $400 for 4th of July, which, hello, wonderful people. It is Tia, and welcome back to my channel. This is my first installation of Wealthy Wednesdays. And by the time you're watching this, tomorrow actually is the 4th of July. So let's talk about this, and hopefully this video will keep you from going out and spending all your coins for 4th of July, or it will give you some alternative ideas if you already don't have plans for 4th of July. So let's talk about not breaking the bank on 4th of July, because everything's expensive and it costs money to go outside, for real. The first thing you can do for 4th of July, if you want to save money, is you can host an event at home, and you can do it potluck style, where you can have different type of games, whether it's cornhole or giant connect 4, dominoes, some type of card game or anything like that. You can have like the main meats prepared by you, and then you can ask your friends and family to bring side dishes, or people can just bring what they can and you can go that way. I know for my family, we are staying at home. We might go watch fireworks, but I doubt it because we're kind of out in the middle of nowhere. But we are going to stay at home, and we're going to have hamburger and hot dogs, nothing fancy. A couple side dishes. If people want to come over and hang out with us, they're welcome to, but for the most part, we are keeping it pretty low key. One, because we're going on vacation at the end of July, and two, I just don't want to be out in the hustle and bustle doing all the 4th of July things, which is nothing wrong with that. It's just not what I want to do this year, and I know that we probably would just like to enjoy some time at home. Something else you can consider doing for 4th of July that will help save money and won't cost you a lot, or go to the local community events. I'm sure there's probably going to be a parade or some type of festival, and in the evening a fireworks show. So if we were going to go out to anything local for 4th of July, I would definitely pack snacks and pack our water bottles. But then if they have like barbecue or hot dogs, I would budget for that. But I wouldn't like necessarily be trying to go broke going to these events. And usually like community events are low cost. I personally have not been to any that cost an entrance fee or anything like that, but consider what your community is doing for the 4th of July. And when I say community, I don't mean just like big things that are maybe downtown or something, but look at what your library is offering, or museums. If your church is doing anything for the 4th of July, just those are all possibilities to think about when you are planning your day tomorrow. Something else you can do for 4th of July, if you're into this type of thing, is you can go outside and do something active. Go on a hike, go to a beach or a lake, go to like a local park and just have a picnic with your family. Again, that's something that's nice, simple, and very accessible, and it probably won't cost you anything, maybe the gas and time to get there. And always don't forget to pack your snacks and then pack your water and all that good stuff. And if you're up to it, you can probably go like just grab you a meal or something, or just make it before you leave and take it with you. But again, I think getting outside and getting active on the 4th of July is a great idea. Beaches, parks, hikes, nature trails, anything like that, all of that will be enjoyable. Something else, and my husband would be 100% down for this, and I am not signing myself up for this, so when he watches this video, I hope he does not get the idea, but go on a historical tour. 4th of July is about America's independence. He loves history. There's so many places that he wants to go to. He might even wake up and go do something on his own. I don't know. But just think about historical places you can visit, or like historical landmarks that may be in your town or your city, or maybe like a quick drive away. And those are things you can go and just go bask in the history and like take a moment of appreciation for those type of things. Something else that we'll probably do on 4th of July, after like all the festivities and everything, all the festivities at our house. And this is something you probably should consider also. And this is always fun. I don't think you can go wrong with it, but watch a fun movie. Have a fun movie night. We normally do movie nights on Friday, but there's nothing stopping us from doing it on the 4th of July. And we might watch a patriotic movie or some type of historical movie. And of course, it will be popcorn and snacks, and then whatever we have left over from earlier in the day from our hamburgers and hot dogs. But that'd be enjoyable. Just pile up on the couch, turn on your favorite historical movie or your favorite like Independence Day movie or anything like that. Pop your popcorn, grab you a drink, and just call it a night until you fall asleep. I think that would be fun, really. Something else you might want to consider doing on 4th of July is just make some decorations. Have fun. Just go on about things that you enjoy. Read a book. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. There is nothing out there that says you have to celebrate 4th of July. You know, there's going to be sales. Don't fall trapped to the sales unless it's actually something you need. Just enjoy and go read a book, write in your journal. Just enjoy the moment. If you're off, take advantage of being off. And then when it comes to like the crafts and everything, so I'll just tell you guys, I budgeted $400 for 4th of July, which probably won't spend anywhere near that. And I budgeted $400, one, because meat is expensive. Going outside is expensive. Everything's expensive, but more so, we're probably going to go to Hobby Lobby and the dollar store and buy those little cute trinkets they have for like the different holidays. So those glow sticks, like the glow lights or whatnot, and then like some 4th of July plates and all that type of stuff. Nothing fancy. Do we need to do it? No. But will my kids enjoy it? Yes. Will I enjoy it? Yes, because we just like to do that type of stuff. So we will get some 4th of July decorations, and it probably won't cost us more than $25, especially if we go to the dollar store and to Hobby Lobby. But that's one of the things we're doing with the money that we budgeted. And then if for some reason we do make it downtown to a local event or something, we'll have a little extra spending money for that. But that is not the intent by any means. And I think, I don't know, I'm not too sure, but I'm pretty sure my husband's going to want fireworks. I think we did fireworks last year, which was kind of uneventful, but we'll see. I'm pretty sure he's going to want to do fireworks, and we'll spend like $100. I like sparklers. I think they're cute. But aside from that, I don't plan on doing too much else. So these are a few ideas that you possibly could do tomorrow for 4th of July if you don't already have anything planned. And if you do have anything planned, but you're feeling the pressure of it all, maybe you should reconsider what you're doing. But again, there's nothing wrong with hosting an event at home and asking your guests to bring something, or doing like a potluck style thing. And again, you can have outdoor games, cornhole, dominoes, giant connect four, Jenga, or anything like that, and just everyone has a great time. You can go to your local community events, whether it's through church, the library, or just being hosted by the city that you're in. You can go outside in nature, take a hike, or go to the beach and just enjoy a relaxing day. Also, there's crafts you can do and decorations just to spruce up the space. You can go on a historical tour. Actually, I think that might be a little fun, but I'm not volunteering myself to do that one again. And like have a movie night, watch a historical movie, watch your favorite movie. Just pull out the blankets, put on a movie, pop the popcorn, and have a great time. I hope you enjoyed this first installation of Wealthy Wednesdays as we come forth with things to talk about saving money and not breaking the bank on doing the things we love.